In this particular problem, a projectile of mass m is fired with a speed v at an angle theta from a smooth horizontal field. The coefficient of restitution of collision between the projectile and field is E. How far from the starting point does the projectile makes its third collision with the field has to be found. So as the projectile is moving, it is moving in a parabolic path. As it is moving in parabolic path, its velocity has two components. One is v cos theta, other is v sin theta. As coefficient of restitution from ground is E, so when it rebounds, its velocity vertical component is ev sin theta and horizontal is v cos theta. It rebounds and travels the distance, again rebounds, and now its vertical component is e square v sin theta and horizontal component remains same, that is v cos theta, and it goes to strike for the third time. So it collides first time at this particular distance, when rebounds vertical speed is ev sin theta. This is second time and there is third time. So initially let us consider it has travelled a distance r1, then a distance r2 and then a distance r3. So total distance d is equal to r1 plus r2 plus r3. Now r1 is v cos theta into time of flight for first case plus v cos theta into time of flight in second case plus v cos theta into time of flight in the third case, or we have v cos theta into t1 plus t2 plus t3. Now v cos theta, t1 is 2v sin theta by g plus t2 is 2 ev sin theta by g plus t3 is 2 e square v sin theta by g. So here from we have 2v square cos theta sin theta by g into 1 plus e square, that is equal to v square sin 2 theta by g into 1 plus e square. This is the distance travelled when the projectile is about to make third impact with the ground.